Let's make a simple cloth simulation that looks like curtains. Start by making a 5x2 grid, then divide it into 2x2 sections. I'm going to show you something important. Before modifying the grid, add the UV project node, then modify the grid until it looks like curtains. See what happens. The UV stretch. To fix it, make the modifications first, and then apply the UV project node. Use a remesh node and set the target size to 0.1. To create a curtain-like effect, use a copy node, translate it to the side, then use a transform node to rotate the curtains. Next, create a group create node and name the group pin or use the function $OS. This function will automatically name the group the same as the node. Change the group type to points and select the points on top of the grid. Now, add a vellum constraint cloth and leave it as is for now. Add a vellum constraint node. Change the constraint type to pin to target, and select the group you just created. If your geometry has animations, check the Match Animation option. Now add the vellum solver and play to see what happens. Let's make it more interesting. Jump inside the vellum solver node and create a pop wind to add some variation in wind velocity, which will define the wind direction. Use a noise motion FX, play with the settings, and explore different values until you find something you like. Don't forget to change the amplitude, swirl size, and roughness. Try low and high parameters and take notes of the differences you see. To change the type of cloth simulation, you would need to tweak the vellum cloth constraints. See what happens if you change the normal drag. To keep it simple, try changing values in the stretch and bend stiffness multiplier. This will make the cloth look different. Combine different parameters until you find one that you like. Finally, add a vellum post-process node to smooth out the wrinkles or add thickness. This will improve the final result. If you wish to export your simulation to try it in another software, use a RAW Alembic to export an Alembic file. Thank you for watching the video.